Hi everybody, here's a quick and easy workout that you can do in just a few minutes to blast a little fat. Let's go. Side lunge first. Lift your hips up and press forward. That's it. Working your inner and outer thighs. A great exercise right through here. Firm and tone and shape up. That's it. Now add the arms. Press and down and press out. Beautiful. We've got two more on this side. You can do it quick and easy, but very effective. Last one, press. Okay, move to the other side. Take it down and press up. Take it down and lift up. Use your ab muscles, core muscles. They really work. That's it. Push up. Beautiful. We got two more on this side. Great for your hips, your thighs, your buttocks, your arms, and your abs. Last one, and release. And now let's do a little butt taps. Down and squeeze up. Shift your hips way back so you really reshape that bottom half to make it your better half. You can do it. Just a couple of these help keep your muscles toned and firm. All the areas of the body we need to target tone. We got two more. Last one. And release. Now let's work on the legs. Take it down, squeeze your buttocks. Take it down, really lift through the hips. You got it. Beautiful. Back of your legs, thighs. Lift your arms, tricep toners. Last one, and release. Let's go to the other side. Take it down, shift your hips forward. That's it. Really feel it. Strong bodies, strong minds, because you are worth it. That's it. Strengthen your muscles. Last two. Last one. Beautiful. And now let's stretch in between and stretch. Great for your inner thighs and your buttocks. And when you twist a little, you're getting a little of that waistline workout. Great. Reach forward, side to side. Got two more. Last one, and hold the stretch. Reach all the way up, feel the stretch. A stretch and tone workout. Hold it up there and shift your weight to the other side. Stretch, look up. Great for that waistline. Beautiful. Smile, we're burning some fat. And release. Let's take it all the way down into a plank position. Think about long, straight back, stomach is in. Tuck under your hips a little bit and think strong legs, strong arms, and core. That's it. Hold it up. And now lift your hips up all the way up into downward facing dog. Stretch your hips up all the way. And shift your hips, bring it down to a plank. Strong arms, strong legs. Squeeze your buttock muscles, pull up and in your abs. Last one, lift up and stretch into downward facing dog. Push it away. Lift up your hips. And now press your heels down. Gorgeous. Now lift one leg all the way up. Hold it up there and release. And now the other leg. Lift it up, 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 up. Beautiful. And bring it all the way through. And hold into pigeon. Feel that beautiful stretch. Hips, thighs, through the buttocks. That's it. And lean slightly forward to get a better stretch. Ooh, I can feel it. Can you? I hope so. It's a total body stretch and tone. Now lift the legs up into plank. Switch the leg through and hold. Hold that stretch. Feel all this area getting a great stretch. Oh, I love it. Did you know a lot of times women have tight hips and it creates a lot of tension? So just stretch out those hips. So important. That's it. Okay. Now slowly come all the way up, bringing your knees down, bring your elbows down, and lift your leg up. Hold it up. Little baby pulses. Buttocks lift. Lift and tone your rear end. That's it. Great. Hold it up. Pull your tummy in. That's it. Great. Two more. Last one. And switch legs. Get the other leg up. Squeeze the buttocks. Tighten that tushy. You can do it. Look great from behind. 2 more. Squeeze the buttocks. And release. Now onto your hands. You're going to lift the leg. Tricep toner. And push up. Great. Triceps. And up. 1 more. And switch legs. 3 tricep toners. Strong arms. Push away. That's it. Last one. And release. Beautiful. And let's do a nice side stretch all the way up. Stretch. And to the other side. All the way up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Beautiful. Length through the spine. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy. Keep it strong. And slowly come down. Let's take a cleansing breath together. Bring in the energy. Bring in the oxygen. And exhale out any stress. Just let it go. Beautiful. 1 more inhale up. And exhale out. Great. Go on and make it a fabulous day. You deserve it. Stay fit because you are worth it.